Hi, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Mrs. Holm, and I am going to be teaching you how to do a modified version of the electric slide. So we're going to use everything except for the turn movement with this one, and we're going to make it more of like a free boogie, boogie, boogie action there. So the very first step we're going to learn today is called the grapevine. I'm going to turn myself around so that you're facing the same direction that I am as you're watching this. And so we're going to go to the right first with our grapevine. Just watch my feet. I'm going to step out. I'm going to take my left foot and cross it behind my right foot. I'm going to take my right foot again and step out and then touch my feet together. I'll show you that again for the right. So we're going to the right. We're going to take our right foot and step out, cross your foot back, step out, and touch. We do the same motion on the left side, except this time our right foot's going to cross behind. So I step out with my left, cross back, step back out, and touch. For time's sake, I'm going to make this move a little bit quickly, so you are always welcome to pause and work through something over and over, but I'm going to just kind of go through the steps so we can see what it looks like in completion. So going to the right, grapevine to the right, and here we go. Out, back, out, to the left, out, back, out, touch. I'm going to do that 2 more times for us. I'll slow it down a little bit here. Right foot, grapevine, here we go. Out, back, out, touch, to the left, back, out, touch. Let's do it 1 more time, and again, you can pause anytime you need to. Ready, and to the right, here we go. Out, back, out, touch, to the left, back, out, touch. Once we finish with that grapevine movement, we're going to back up 2 steps using our right foot like this. Back it up, back it up. Let's try that motion going backward again. Ready? And just the steps back. Here we go. Back it up, back it up. Okay, last time we're just going to do that, and then I'll put together the grapevine with the back steps. Backing, ready, here we go. Back it up, back it up. And again, it's important to remember that that backing up foot is your right foot. So we're going to put it together with the grapevines. Grapevine to the right, and here we go. Right, 2, 3, to the left. Back it up, back up, and stop. Let's do that again. To the right, and ready, grapevines go. Right, step to the left, step, back it up, back it up. 1 more time with that before we move on to our last set of movements. Grapevine to the right, and here we go. Right. You can add a clap if you want to as well. Then back it up, back it up. The last movement we have to learn is our forward back. So what we're going to do is we're going to lean forward on our left and then lean back on the right. So it's going to go forward, back. Let's try that part. Here we go. Lean forward, lean back. Great. Last time, lean forward. Here we go. Lean forward, lean back. And then we'll just add a little boogie for 4 counts. I'm going to put that together with the other steps. Again, pause and go back anytime you need to. Starting with the grapevine to the right. Ready? And here we go. Right, grapevine to the left. Backing it up, back it up, and forward, and lean back, and boogie, woogie, oogie right here for a bit. We're going to practice that 2 more times without the music. Grapevine to the right, and here we go. Right, grapevine to the left. We're going to take it back it up, lean forward, lean back. Last time without music. Grapevine to the right, and here we go. Grapevine to the left. Back it up, lean forward, lean back. Okay, so now we just have to put it together with some music. I'm going to do it several times. We're not going to spend the full 5 minutes doing it because it is a pretty long song. But we'll go through several counts together. 5, 6, grapefruit to the right. 1, to the left. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Lean forward, lean back, and kind of march it out. And then we're going to grapevine and grapevine. Lean back, bring it back, lean forward, lean back, and wait it out. Grapevine again. Grapevine to the left. Back it up, lean forward, lean back, and kind of rock it out. Grapevine to the right. Grapevine to the left. Back it up, lean forward, lean back, and walk it out. And grapevine to the right. Grapevine to the left. Back it up, lean forward, lean back, and walk it out. And to the right, and to the left, and back it up, lean forward, lean back, and wait it out. Grapevine to the left, right, sorry, then to the left. Back it up, lean forward, lean back. I'm going to try to not say the words this time. Last time. Back it up, lean forward, lean back, and that's where we're going to end it today. You can always pause, go back, try doing it for yourself, and I hope you guys have a fun time.